297, let's get into it. So, in the monkey wrench macros section, we have these monkey wrench macros. Don't type these variables, they're wrong. We have the mipmap exponent, 9 of them, to the diagonal offset where the data cluster of same sized graphics exist. Checking our math. Mipmap exponent, 9 of them, converted to the lateral span. So how big is the current chunk of pixels for the current mipmap level? In mipwasp, in the function we've been working on, we've added 256 hard-coded here and 0 hard-coded here to make some code easier to read. Where we're going to cut from or copy from and where we're going to paste from to create our mipmaps, lateral multiplier x and y. This was a bug. We changed it from tile size exponent to ME9 because we're in a 512 by 512 block of memory, not a 128 by 128 block of memory. We're going to loop through all of the mipmap levels, and all of the layers, all 3 layers. We're going to check our math here. We're going to get the correct diagonal offset, correct lateral multiplier x and y, which identifies the quad 0, 1, or 2. The lateral span of the current chunk of pixels that we are pasting to. Here's where we're going to select from on the outer mipmap level, and here's where we're going to paste to into the target mipmap level, which should be a lower resolution. We're going to use a helper function for that in another video. And then down here is what we did previously. Here are all of our notes, and then here is what we did in this video down here. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You've been on this playlist, and you can get the source code here, email me here, like, subscribe, send money.